In this video, I'll be giving 5 tips for art students. Whether it's your first year, last year, or anything in between, these 5 tips are for anyone pursuing art training. Tip number 1. Be an artist, not a student. When you're in class, don't aim to be an A+ student. The truth is, grades don't matter in the industry. I'm not saying don't try your best, but don't stress out if you don't get a perfect grade in life drawing. What you should be doing instead is to just be an artist. Try new methods or new mediums, make a lot of ugly or failing art pieces. In order to succeed as an artist, you must fail a bunch of times. One good art piece means you made a million bad ones. Tip number 2. Remember, every student in that class will be coming out with the same portfolio. So on your holidays or on your spare time, build your own portfolio with your own direction. Bring these pieces back to school so your instructors or your mentors can give you some constructive criticism. Tip number 3. Always take advantage of the school's programs, such as grants, scholarships, tutors, and extra life drawing classes. A lot of the time, students don't know that schools offer grants and financial aid that may even sometimes cover the entire cost of attendance. Just as in real life, if you don't ask, you don't know. But make sure you use that after school free studio time. Remember, when you graduate, you will never have such a space to utilize for free. Tip number 4. Always ask questions, either to your professors, fellow classmates, or even during class critique sessions. Never be shy to ask any questions. No question is a stupid question, so ask it. Alright, final tip number 5. Make sure your final year of artwork does not look the same as your first year. This is a solid rule of thumb. If your artwork does look the same as your first year, then you just wasted your time and money going to art school. The idea is to grow and get better at your skills every year. If you're not planning to learn or try new things, then save your money and time and don't go to art school or take any art classes. And that is my 5 tips for any art student. Feel free to share this video to anyone thinking or attending art school or classes, and hopefully it will help them too.